free of the store. Oh, I got okay. Now that's I open my own store and they wait until people come. Oh, you're the first customer, an elephant. Oh, you just can't talk. What do you have for sale? Books. Yeah. Guns. Yeah. And one game for the oldest Xbox in the world. I don't even have that. They don't even sell them anymore. I want a gun. Okay. I'm gonna let you that gun. It's right here. Gun. That would be that would be it's free. Thank you.